If you want to cancel your Indeed free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure your subscription is terminated before any charges occur. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your email and password associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page, often under your profile name or icon. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled subscription or billing. Click on this to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Within the subscription details, there should be an option to cancel your free trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, check for a confirmation email from Indeed. This will ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled and that you will not be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Indeed free trial. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Indeed's customer support.